Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I would like to introduce you the most and very important concept, the science of fear, art of winning the fear. What is fear? Fear is the most common block on the path of progress in any field. It drains the energies, destroys the skills. Fear creates tensions, generates negative emotions which are destructive by nature. Fear is the most dangerous enemy to man and it is simply a waste of time. Forms of fear are countless in number, but surprisingly, all these are common globally. Thus, fear is a close associate of man. May be rich or poor, educated, illiterate, man or woman, no discrimination for fear. Why is such a destructive fear creeps into us? What is the science behind fear? Fear is a child of ignorance. The only reason for fear is ignorance. We are afraid of something only when we don't know about it or when it is less known to us. Example, when a teacher asks a question, fear enters. Sometimes we know it, sometimes others can notice our fear. But same class, same teacher, if ask name, never fear enters into us because we are very thorough with our own name. But it is not so in case of subject. If we recollect all fears, the root cause is that we don't know in detail about it. It is a subtle dimension of fear. Example, fear of a subject, fear of exam, fear of interview, fear of any creature, fear of darkness, etc. All these are because we don't know what it is exactly. You may say, we wrote many exams, still why this exam fear? Fear of exam is not because of exam, because we don't know the result. Remember, if you know the result before writing exam, do you get fear? Never. Remember, darkness is absence of light. Fear is absence of knowledge of that particular area. I am not talking about phobia, which is a psychological issue. Okay, now we learn something about fear. Then how to overcome it? We know that fear is a block, so it is to be destroyed, or at least it is to be under your control. Behind the success of every great venture, behind every achiever, there is a powerful courage. There is absence of fear in that person. One can attain courage only when one attains some information about it or knowledge about that particular area. Without the backing of knowledge, if we venture, it is called adventure, which is risk associated with uncertain future. I am not talking about it. Okay, so what to do? When you are afraid of a subject, say mathematics, before looking into syllabus, just read as much as possible about the subject. Learn its history, development, prominent persons in that area, how the subject helped for the progress of human race, etc. Discuss with those who are experts in that subject. Read some interesting facts about it. Play with the subject. Take your own time because it's not a waste of time, it's only an investment. I am sure after 1 or 2 weeks you will love it and you will be the topper in that subject in near future. Loving it relieves you from the fear. How to conquer fear of exam or fear of interview? Fear of exam, fear of interview is because we don't know the result. When we think about what we don't know, fear starts. Now, leave the result part completely. Concentrate only on preparation. If still fear appears, then just say, if I fail, nothing to lose, then why to think about it? When fear tries to enter, just ask a question. If I fail, there is nothing to lose. If I cannot answer in interview, it's okay. I will try again in a better way. That's all. Don't think more than this. Never waste time in thinking about result, just to work only and only on preparation. Fear is only a trick of mind. It has no existence like darkness. If you are able to dispel fear, you will be the winner. Think only one thing. If I dare to move one step ahead, what happens? Result is success or failure. If it is success, good. If it is a failure, also good. You invented a technique which is not for you. If you take a decision or take a step, there is nothing to lose but only a gain. That is called experience. Before learning a subject or attending interview, writing exam, starting a new project or any other thing, learn about it as much as possible. Try as many times as possible. Remember that you are not going to lose anything even if you make some attempts before winning. In the same way, if you are afraid of snakes, afraid of something else, do the same thing. Learn as much as possible from books, internet, interview of prominent persons in that area about it, and personally learn about that particular one. You don't even know when the love for it entered into you and when fear left you. This kind of training from childhood makes a person strong. So at least if you are adults, if you have children or youngsters, give them this kind of training. Just give them that fear is only a simple trick of mind. That's all in this video. All the best. God bless you.